It's coming along good. We definitely are getting them spun out a little bit, and guys are having fun. They're running. The most important thing is the trucks continue to run, and I think that's awesome.
Powerful. That's tons of power. We're like test drivers here, coming out and giving feedback back to Robby Gordon. Small and nimble track with some big crazy jumps, going to make it for a spectacular show.
It was cool. I mean, I didn't really ever. There was a couple times through because it's slick, like it just been watered down, like going up into a couple of corners, and it's like, whoa, you know. But I didn't ever really feel like I was, you know, really going to lose the thing. Besides when it bicycled up on me really hard in that one car last lap. But dude, it's just see here.
This vehicle was very, very impressed with how hard you could beat it. You know, I'm crashing right into the face of jumps. The shock package, very close. Motor package, very close. But when you look at the whole picture, you're about 95% ready to go race. I think that if you get these things, working out some of the small bugs, because everything that Robby and his crew has done to design this vehicle, the power steering, the transmission, the coolers, everything that goes into it, it takes time, and Robby's been the only one to do very, very short test runs. So this first day with a lot of different drivers is going to be key. But what they need to understand is that they're seeing just the beginning of it, and the fact that that we've gone out, tested it, it's not breaking. Small bugs here, a little fluid leak there, temperature increase there. That's nothing. That's all easy fixes. So can't wait to get these things on the track and kick Robby's ass. Coming after you, brother.
Hey, how you guys doing? It's a warm, hot day in July in California, and I'm out here with Robby Gordon and Ricky Johnson and a few other guys testing this new Mickey Thompson trophy truck for 2012-13. The thing is absolutely insane. The power, the horsepower, the way the thing is built, the geometry. You launch it off of jumps like a dirt bike, but it handles like a trophy truck. The thing is absolutely amazing.
Fun. A lot of horsepower in a small truck. Twitchy, so you just kind of had to drive it around with the throttle a little bit more, but it was fun. It was fun. It looked like it was fun. Yeah.
I see, figured out.
Things are awesome. They have so much power, so much fun to drive. We had a blast. Did a couple donuts out there, but it was fun. It was really good.
We're out here testing Robby's SST trucks, having a great time. They're working great. So it's a lot of fun. A lot of celebrities out here driving them, and I think these things are gonna be a hit. So we'll see what happens in a couple months.
Currently, I did very good because I told Robby that I was definitely going to compete next year in his series, and he said, "Well, if you're going to compete, you're probably going to win. So I'll just give you the trophy." So that's what he did. He just gave me the trophy.
First impressions of the new stadium truck. It's got a tremendous amount of power. It's light. It doesn't feel like you're waiting on the weight of the truck to get caught up with the power. It puts power down well. It's got way more suspension than you than you've experienced in Pro Light for sure, and Pro 2 even. Feels like there's just so much more down travel in the rear of the car.
The first time seeing these bad rides hit the dirt, they're pretty wicked.
Double that. Like that. Like coming out of the corner, kind of like rolling, and then double the next one.
They took a beating yesterday and they powered through every bit of it. Rolling over, flip them over, and they just kept on racing. Now it's my turn to get in it. I'm excited. Get a feel for them and see what they are. I think some big things are going to happen with these things, and I'm very excited to be a part of it.
Trucks look awesome out there. You know, they can take a beating. They can, you know, hit every jump. They got the horsepower to do everything out there.
I mean, it's super fun. It's just like, what's up? Yeah, if you want me to break it, sweet. That was rad. Like, it's super fast. No, not at all. It's fun, dude.
Oh, it's been good. You know, we've got a lot of different guys in it. We've got over 30 drivers, from Indy cars to obviously myself from NASCAR, off-road guys, rallycross guys, drift guys, short course guys, wide variety, Hispanic drivers, American drivers, Canadian drivers. It's been a lot of fun. It's been a big challenge trying to build a car that's capable for anybody to drive. And we built a car that's very difficult to drive, very hard to drive. It's a bit out of control, but that's going to be good for our events. It's going to put on a good show.
Well, it's been real interesting because every driver comes back after their 2 laps, 5 laps, 25 laps, but they've always got the same expression, a big ear-to-ear grin, and they say the same thing as far as the car's handling, and that's exactly what you've been wanting to hear. And you're getting feedback, and yeah, you know, we talk about how many laps you had around this track this weekend, how many gallons of fuel you guys have gone through. You knew parts were going to break here and there, but yet you knew they were going to break, so you had parts in replacement that were beefier and ready to go. And your guys never stopped. They were just stopped the sun down. In fact, we got a couple more guys to go yet before the sun goes down tonight, and they're still at it.
No, the guys have done an awesome job. It's been a huge challenge for us. You know, we're about 8.5 weeks, 9 weeks into this program total, from inception, you know, to being on the rack, to a series announced, races, cars tested, drivers interested, sponsors interested. Got a good thing going on with Stadium Super Truck.
So we really need to see is when we hear that big sound inside these stadiums all across the country. Congratulations, man. You guys pulled off one hell of a deal. You guys still got a long way to go, so Robby,
thank you.
Congratulations, man.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much.